How to remove note on Facebook profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on your name at the top. You'll find your profile pop up. Above your profile picture, you will find your note. So simply click on the note above your profile picture. Then at the bottom, you will find delete note option. Click on delete note at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on it, press on delete again. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to remove note on Facebook profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.